Well, hello. Brought the trailer home. Doing a little tidy up. Yeah, got a vacuum. And must put something wet away. But what I really wanted to do is get in here. I want to put some reflective up against this. As you tell, it bumps a lot. And we've taken some damage. So, if you have not seen my project, I've got how I installed all of these and up underneath our bed here. And now I'm going to try to put reflective over this to see if that also helps a little bit more than what this has done. So if you haven't checked out this video, if I can find a way to link it in here in the video itself, I will. If not, check down below in those descriptions and I'll have a link to the video of how I did this. He got it all measured. Up here we're gonna go 93.5, and then across we're gonna go probably 46.5, I believe, as well. So I'm gonna take my reflective that I got here. I got a big sheet, so I'm just gonna trim it down a little bit. I don't think I have enough to do this side, so might have to buy some more and do it another day. I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to spray this with the glue and then somehow maybe use some jacks or something on that other end to hold it upright. Maybe I can get a kid to help me. I forgot it came with these Velcro circles. So I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of put some down enough to cover one area, spray it, and then I can put it back up. This will also help hold while the glue dries. We'll see if that works. I don't know. Come along, let's find out. As I wedge that guy in, do yourself a favor. If you're gonna do this project, buy the one with the foil already on the back or with this on the back. I didn't think about it when I did it, and I should have, and we would not be doing this today. We'll see if this works. I thought, well, let me put it on the beam and see how that works. And I put them up here in this corner here and across here above me. So I'm just gonna lift and stick it. Let's see how it goes. All right, change of plans. So it pulled off when I tried to pull it this way. So I wanted to make sure I get covered here. So put one up in this corner, and I just gotta be careful about when pulling it tight. I forgot that this recesses a little bit, so I probably should have gone a little bit longer on this guy. Maybe next time, don't cut this distance. Just cut the width and then do your whole thing. And then when you get to the end here, then you can cut off your excess. Alrighty. There we go. I didn't record it because it was too uncomfortable to try to show you guys. But maybe halfway through, I started spraying the reflective too in the foam. Get it to adhere better. And I started spraying the beams too. So it actually fit. I was surprised. Now, I'm gonna tape it off. The comfortable job. Everybody's favorite. Tight spaces. All right. It may not look the greatest, but it'll hold. So I'm trying to wedge it, so I go half and half here. As long as I can, get it up inside so that it would hold it to the wall. That's a good thing. So this is right by the baggage door here. So I did cut away a little bit here, so I won't have any problems taping to the top. There you be, all taped up, kind of like nice. So I am going to buy new reflective for that wall and use what I have left for some of the windows that I still need to cover during cold months or hot months even. But we'll see how well this holds. It's time to get the one on this side up. Got it all cut down and everything. What I did on this, as opposed to the top, is I did not come to fill up the whole space. So I came down, so I have a little bit of space to put my tape on, so I don't have to try to go up around corners like I did before. I was kind of hard and, you know, we'll see. Let's see what it does. Well, there we go. Got all those sides done. Thought about doing this side, but I think we're okay not to. So I'm just gonna kind of leave that be. And hopefully this will add us a little bit more protection. Looks like the glue's not adhering very well, but it's taped, it's up there. As long as some parts hold, I guess, we should be good. I know it's not insulation, but I put some tape around here because there have been some gaps on the trim to help hold that in place a little bit. We'll see how long it takes before that gets all torn up from travel.